Magandang araw guys, welcome to my channel RJB TV Sari-Saring Vlog. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe na po kayo, paki-share yung channel at pakipindot din ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videong aking ina-upload. Ang aking i-upload pala ngayon guys ay yung mga AI videos na aking ginawa. Dahil nagkaroon ng free trial na 30 days or 1 month, tayo ay gumawa rin ng mga AI videos. Nakapag-practice tayo at ang i-upload ko ngayon ay yung mga videos na hindi na-generate ng maayos, mali-mali. Sa susunod ay yun namang mga maayos na video. Tara at panoorin natin.
Real talk, kung sino pa ay ang may utang, siya pa ang matapang.
Andito po tayo ngayon sa malapit ng matapos na tulay na tatawagin na Alabat Bridge. At malapit na po tayo
Lolo Dando, ano po ang secret nyo at mukhang mas bata pa kayo sa edad nyo?
Simple lang nga po. Lolo, how do I know if he's the one?
If he peels shrimp for you, marry him.
If he eats all the shrimp, run.
Ronel, what is your advice to vendors like you?
never ever believe promises that you will be paid later.
What is this? I just left early in the morning and when I came home, it's all messy. You are shameless, Cel, so you have no shame now.
Shout out to our government. Please rescue us farmers. We are completely drowning in poverty.
These days, those who have no one to chat with are the ones who are always online and thin from staying up late. It's better to raise a snake than to be with people who are hypocrites, and worse than a snake. Sometimes the hardest truths are the ones that set you free, even if they hurt for a while.
When you see a rich person walking, it's called exercising. But when it's us, the poor, it's because we have no fare.
Everyone, please don't go out to avoid disaster. And this is my advice. Just pray.
They keep trying to force me to get married, saying I'm getting old. But if I get married, does that mean I won't get old anymore?
Can you tell us how your business has been doing lately?
It's been good. People are always looking for affordable options. Kung gusto, may paraan. Kung ayaw, may dahilan.
May dahilan.
Randy, the reason Nell and I come here so often is because you always have beautiful women ready.
Shout out to all the couples out there. No matter how sweet you are, you'll still break up.
Sir Ronel, ano po ang pagkakaiba ng grocery store at sari-sari store?
Ma'am, malaki po at napakarami. Ay maanatang bongding in Booker Pet.
Ronel, ano po ang pagkakaiba ng grocery store at sari-sari store?
Malaki po at napakarami. Sir Ronel, if something new comes into your life, will you accept it?
Of course, because only parcels come into my life from Lazada.
Nang ikaw ay isilang, ay sa puwet ka dumaan, sobrang lapit niyan, halos magkadikit lang.
Ay, ano naman yun?
Anong was?
When you were born, you came out of the butt. It was so close, almost touching.
Yeah, Sam.
Nell, what is a man's promise that I should not believe?
When he says, "Don't be afraid, I promise I'll pull out."
Ronel, what promise should I not immediately believe?
When he said, "Don't be afraid, I promise I'll shoot it outside."
So, kanas ba nga daso?
Ronel, ano ang pangako na hindi ko agad dapat paniwalaan?
I've been looking for my wife for quite some time now. Then suddenly I remembered that I don't actually have a wife.
Tatay, ano ang masasabi mo sa mga kasamahan natin? Puro risikpaw, kapaltos-paltos, mga rusupo.
What happened to you? Why are you on crutches again?
I ate too much of what I shouldn't have. It was just too good, so now I'm crippled again. Why are we, who fight fairly, the ones hit by calamities, and then when aid is distributed, we are not even listed? Nowadays, even if you don't get married,
Just go to drinking sessions and you will surely find someone to party with.